Here.
Gonna test it to see the alcohol content.
We're gonna test it to see what it's at. The readings, the specific gravity.
Okay, you have to explain it
Okay,
now.
well, we got to.
Ooh.
Sorry. It's what happens in the country when you're making wine. Okay, you can see the bubbles, so you can see it's working. Come here.
You want to know the red?
Come here. What?
Let me tell you the easiest way to do that.
What?
Take your hydrometer, just drop it
right in there.
Oh. Hey, you figured that out after all these years. That's pretty cool, Daddy. Why didn't I think of that? Here.
So you want me to answer that?
Alright, just drop it down in there.
Have you stirred it up?
No, sir, do I need to stir it real quick?
No, just
Okay.
drop it in there.
Okay.
I thought you'd have had more to talk about. Hope it comes up.
It's at 10.
You want to see my water?
Look. It's a working.
It's working good too.
Hey, do you want to add some flavoring to it?
No, I ain't gonna do nothing yet, no. Because I'm still not sure I'm gonna throw it out.
Okay, look. Champs is right there.
Okay. So. It ain't got no sugar in it. And it ain't, potential alcohol is 1%.
Look at that cricket.
Okay, go away from me.
Got some big legs.
Less than yours.
Yep, lesson. Yours is at 1,000.
Yeah, it ain't nothing.
Well, it's a bubbling. What do we need to do? Add some sugar? Dry?
I'll have to add sugar.
Did you taste it? Did you taste it?
Stick your finger in it. Or some water.
It's got flavor.
Well, I can't taste.